Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm slightly mortified to show you this, but I wanted to bring you an ultimate clean with me car edition. This is what I found when I removed my toddler's car seat. It is absolutely disgusting. I definitely need to invest in one of those seat covers because let's be real, I'm not going to stop giving him food in the car because that's not realistic. You do what you have to do. So if you are in the mood for some absolute motivation, just keep watching.
How you make me feel, I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand. How you make me feel, I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Be with you. All that time away from you, I didn't think I'd make it without you by my side. Let me feel your love again. Just the two of us, and we could stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night. Everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. Be with you. Be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you.
As you can see, I am taking a quick vacuum to the seats and trying to get as much of the crumbs up as possible. However, I'm not terribly concerned about it because we are trading in this vehicle on Friday. So, you know the dealership is going to give it a good detail. I'm not going to take a toothbrush and, make sure that it's perfect because I know that they're going to do it. If we were keeping this vehicle, there's no doubt that I would take a scrubber to the cloth seats and get all the stains and gunk out, but you have to admit this looks 10 times better than the beginning. So like I said, we're trading this car in. It is time for an upgrade. Mama needs an SUV because we hopefully will have more babies. And yeah, this car served us well for almost 5 years, but it is time for a new one. So stick around. Next week, I will show you the car that we ended up going with, and I'm excited to show you a tour of it. This is everything that was in my car. Yeah, this is embarrassing. I like to keep toys in the car for my toddler, of course, but it will not get to this extent again. Hopefully, knock on wood. We all say that, but of course, whatever. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to hit that big red subscribe button before you leave, and I'll see you next time. Bye.